Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. Today we have come up with a special product that is from Amela Bodybuilding. My colleague Irina is going to walk through how to use this product and how comfortable it is to use. Stay tuned and watch.
Hi, good morning everyone. It's a beautiful summertime and it's a high season to build your sexy body. I was just concerned how can I do that, and I started to look on the internet for some exercises and everybody was suggesting me to get a resistant rubber band. There are so many brands in the market and I was just lost. So I opened my Instagram and came across the brand which is called Amela. And I found it's really cute and nice, so I just ordered one for myself. I will leave the link for the profile. It's Amela Bodybuilding in the description to this video. It is coming in such a cute bag, so you can easily carry it somewhere to the gym, or if you are working out in the bar, it will easily fit your bag. And there is also some cute instruction manual. As you can see, there are some pictures how to do the exercises exactly. So I will just show some of them for you. So just follow along this video to build your sexy body together with me. As you can see, there is an adjustable strap, so you can make it tight if you are advanced, or you can make it loose to feel more comfortable while exercising. So just make it just put your legs just the same width with your shoulders. Put your legs inside just like that. Just make sure that your strap is above the knees, not to damage your kneecap, and just start with me. So we'll start with the squats. It's simple squats, just make sure the band is tight enough to make your booty workout. Let's do 10 times. Do some wider squats, putting your legs wider, and do some enthusiast squats like that. That is also more advanced level. It also makes your booty burn. Yeah, like that. So after that, you can make it a bit more tight and put your band on your ankles like that. You can put the strap, which is easily and convenient in this bag. So just grab some wall or something next to you, and you can do some movements with your legs just like that. It will make your leg strong and build your core muscles as well, like that. And move to another side like that. You can do some exercises just using your yoga mat. Just go down to your yoga mat. Pull the rubber band above your knees. Lay down on your back. And just work out like that. Make sure it is tight enough on your knees so that you can feel your booty working out. Good job. You can stand on your knees as well. You can make it a bit loose here. And just raise your legs like that, so that you can feel it also. Your right leg and your left leg as well. You can do as many times as you are comfortable doing. Just start room for the first time and then increase the number of repetitions, you can follow this instruction here or subscribe to Amela Bodybuilding. There you will get some more details about the product and this amazing resistance band. I am sweating, my body is so tired and tense. I hope you will try it on your own. Amela Bodybuilding, just find the link down in the description to this video and show off your sexy body.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this session, and it was a power-packed session from Irina. Thank you for watching this video. I really thank Irina for that power-packed performance. I hope that those who are watching this video are motivated enough to get out of your homes and start working out during the summer. So let weight loss be one of our challenges during the summer. Now, if you are from Dammam, Saudi Arabia, you have a good news because there is a fitness trainer called Amela. She's based out in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. You can contact her through her Instagram, and she got a WhatsApp number, and there are a number of ways you can reach her. I will put all those details on the comment box, not on the comment box, or the description column, sorry. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please consider subscribing. You know why? Because there are some interesting stuff coming out in the coming weeks. You guys stay safe and stay healthy. I'll see you again with another interesting video. Till then, see you.